Hello everyone, so welcome back on my channel. So in this video, I'll be sharing the essential materials and equipments that we use during our community health nursing duties. So itong mga items na ipapakita ko sa inyo is nasa description box and sa comment sections. So earning for commissions po ako and hindi ganun kalaki yung commissions once you check out. Way back 2023, since second year ako that time and yun yung time na magpo-community duty kami, is required talagang bumili ng mga equipments na gagamitin for community health nursing, hindi para pagastusin kayo. The point of that is para magkaroon tayo ng sarili-sarili nating mga gamit once na naging isang ganap na tayong registered nurse. Since hindi pa rin naman ako nakapapasa sa board, pero graduate na kami, batch 2026. So let's now start with this two. The first thing na dapat meron kayo is the CHN bag or is the community health nursing bag. There are two types of community health nursing bags. The first one is this box type. So ito yung required sa amin. Ideally, dalawang klase siya. The first one ng community health nursing bag is this box type. The second one is this bag type. So ito yung ginamit ko. Mukhang hindi siya madaling masira. So it depends pa rin kung ano yung i-record.
The purpose of the Community Health Nursing Bag or the CHN bag, it is also known as Public Health Nursing Bag or the PHN, is carried by the community health nurses during home visits to ensure safe, efficient, and effective nursing care. The purpose of this is to perform nursing procedures with ease, efficiency, and accuracy. Also to save time and effort during the home visits, and also to prevent or minimize the spread of infection by maintaining proper aseptic technique to carry the essential equipment, supplies, and medication needed for community-based nursing care.
Let's now start with the syringes. So it is important that you have a set of syringes just in case na, di ba? I'm now going to start with the insulin syringe. Si insulin syringe is kakaiba siya sa lahat ng syringe since hindi napapalitan yung kanyang needle. So bale one time use lang siya and literal na hindi mo siya pwedeng palitan ng needle. So this is how it looks. So I will now show to you what it actually looks like. So, ang pagbubukas ng syringe is hindi siya totally bubuksan na gano'n, di ba? So, konti lang siya. So, ganyan lang. Konti lang siya. Yung enough lang na mahawakan mo yung bukas niya is matutusok. So, ganito yung itsura niya. So, hindi siya papalitan ng needle. So, this is the 1cc syringe. Kung makikita nyo is iba naman ang itsura. Ayan. So, iba naman yung itsura, di ba? Ito si insulin. Ito si 1cc.
3cc, 5cc, 10cc.
Yung enough lang na so ganyan. Then, yung gagawin nyo is iiwan nyo yung packet.
Here are the examples of the syringes: the insulin syringe, 1cc syringe, 3cc syringe, 5cc syringe, 10cc syringe. The insulin syringe used to accurately measure and administer insulin because it is calibrated in insulin units. 1cc syringe or the tuberculin syringe used for administering small volumes of medications, especially for intradermal and subcutaneous injections. 3cc syringe, the most commonly used syringe for intramuscular, subcutaneous, and intravenous medication administration. 5cc used for administering larger medication volumes or collecting blood specimens. 10cc syringe, commonly used for flushing IV lines, collecting specimens, and administering large volumes of medication.
Let's now move on to our needles only. Just in case na kailangan nyo magpalit ng needle, hindi na kayo kukuha ng panibagong syringe. This is how it looks like. So, ganyan siya. So, ganyan lang. So, bali ang lalabas ng dapat is ito.
Disposable hypodermic needles or the replacement needles. These are sterile replacement needles that can be attached to compatible syringes. They are used when a different needle size or gauge is needed for medication administration, specimen collection, or other clinical procedures. Using a new needles helps maintain aseptic technique and reduces the risk of contamination. The next thing you must have is the sphygmomanometer and the stethoscope. Sphygmomanometer used to accurately measure a patient's blood pressure to assess cardiovascular status, detect abnormalities such as hypertension, sobrang taas, or hypotension, sobrang baba, and monitor the effectiveness of treatment and nursing interventions, while a stethoscope used to auscultate body sounds, including heart, lung, and bowel sounds to accurately determine blood pressure by listening for Korotkov sounds during manual blood pressure measurement. Thermometer, pen light, and pulse oximeter.
Next one is this is used in every IV insertions. So, ang paghahawak nito, or I mean, ang pagbubukas is, konti lang din. Yung ganyan lang siya. Hanggang sa mahawakan niyo lang siya. Ganyan ang paghawak. So, susukatin niyo na yung sana ng pasyente.
IV cannula used to establish venous access for the administration of intravenous fluids, medications, or blood products without repeated needle insertions.
Siyempre, yung needle niya is meron ding iba-ibang sizes. So, for example, ito is gauge 20 and gauge 24 lang yung meron ako. Since na ipakita ko na ang usapang swero, papakita ko na rin itong tourniquet. So, it is used bago nyo i-insert sa pasyente yung Ayan. So, bagong-bago, hindi ko siya nagamit at all. So, it's elastic siya.
Tourniquet or tourniquet used to temporarily restrict venous blood flow, making veins more visible and easier to access during venipuncture or the IV insertion.
They will also ask you to buy your own scissors. So, ano nga ba itong mga klase ng mga scissors na ito? Let's start with this bandage scissor. Pinangkakat ito mostly sa operating room and sa bandage, literal na pang-cut siya. This is the straight Kelly and this is a Kelly curve. So kaya natin siya tinawag na curve is kasi because it's curved. Kaya naman natin tinawag na straight itong isa, but because it's straight.
This is the closer look of a curved Kelly, bandage scissors, and the straight Kelly. Kelly straight forceps used to grasp, hold, or clamp tissues and sterile materials during medical procedures. Kelly curved forceps used to clamp blood vessels or tissues, especially in deeper areas during minor surgical procedures, while bandage scissors used to safely cut bandages, dressings, and medical tape without injuring the patient.
They will also ask you to have this. This is a cord clamp. So, mostly ito sa mga babies, like yung mga bagong panganak, is ika-clamp kasi yung cord. Again, 2 cm before that.
The cord clamp used to clamp the umbilical cord of a newborn to prevent bleeding and reduce the risk of infection.
This is how it looks like. Meron pa bang hindi nakakakilala dito? This is the hydrogen peroxide.
The povidone iodine or the betadine used as an antiseptic solution to reduce or eliminate microorganisms on the skin and wounds, helping prevent infection before and after minor procedures, while hydrogen peroxide or the oxygenated water used to cleanse minor wounds by helping remove debris and dead tissue through its bubbling action. It may also help reduce the number of microorganisms during initial wound cleaning.
Next one is i-request din nila na bumili kayo na sarili din yung bandage. So, this is how it looks like. So, meron siyang dalawang lock. So,
bandage used to protect wounds, control bleeding, support injured body parts, and secure dressings.
this is the sodium chloride.
0.9% sodium chloride or the NSS, used for wound irrigation, intravenous fluid therapy, and flashing IV lines to maintain patency and the cleanliness.
Test tube and the test tube holder. So, parang ganito. Just in case na sa communities meron mga chemicals, di ba? So, i-request din nila kayo na bumili din ng sarili talagang ganito.
Test tube and the test tube holder. Test tube holder used to safely hold test tubes during specimen collection, transport, or laboratory procedures. Test tube used to collect, store, and transport blood or other laboratory specimens for diagnostic testing.
It is also important to have your own micropore tape and ito.
Micropore and the micropore tape. Micropore or gauze roll used to wrap wounds, secure dressing, provide compression, and support injured body parts, while micropore tape A gentle, hypoallergenic medical tape used to secure dressings, gauze, and medical devices while minimizing the skin irritation.
Ina-request din nila kaya magkaroon ng sariling tape measure. So this is how it looks like. There are two types of tape measure. So the first one is the tape measure na literal na tape measure lang. The second one is this one. And once na pinindot is bumabalik siya.
Tape measure used to measure body circumferences, wound dimension, and fundal height during patient assessment.
Ito naman i-share ko lang, hindi nila ito i-request na bibilin ninyo. So, ito pala yung lagayan ng sample just in case na kukuha ng dugo. So, meron akong ganito. So, matagal na to siya sa akin. So much memories with this one. This is way back 2024 pa. Matagal na.
Blood collection tubes or the vacutainer tubes used to collect blood samples for laboratory analysis. Different colored tubes are used for specific laboratory tests.
They will also ask you to get your own millimeter ruler.
Millimeter ruler used to accurately measure wounds, skin lesions, or induration during physical assessment.
They will also ask you to get your own sterile gloves. So once na na-open na to is hindi na po siya sterile. Ha? Once na na-touch na siya sa ibang hindi na po siya sterile. So this is how it looks like. So meron siyang different sizes. Since my size is 7, so 7 ito. So this is how it looks like. So yan, it is important na meron kayo lagi nito. Hindi lang sa CHN bag. So dapat during duty na rin kayo.
Sterile gloves used during sterile procedure to maintain aseptic technique and prevent infection.
Next one is the sterile gauze pad. So, hindi lang siya basta-basta gauze pad na sterile siya.
The sterile gauze pad used to clean wounds, absorb blood or body fluids, apply pressure to control bleeding, and cover wounds.
They will also ask you to get your own
Medical tray. It is used to organize and hold sterile instruments and supplies during medical procedures.
This is the kidney basin.
The kidney basin tray used to collect body fluids, hold contaminated dressings, or carry medical instruments during procedures.
It's a sip to syringe. So, ginagamit ito for NGT. NGT feeding. Wala ko NGT tube dito. So, this is how it looks like.
The septosyringe, a large bulb syringe used for wound irrigation, tube feeding irrigation, and flushing body cavities.
This is only a bonus, but if you want to get your own cotton applicator, mukha siyang mahabang cotton buds, pero cotton applicator siya. So, something ganun.
The cotton applicator used to apply antiseptics, medications, or collect small specimens while maintaining cleanliness.
It is also required to get your own face mask. So, hindi nyo na siya magagamit sa community, but magagamit nyo siya for araw-araw talaga. So,
face mask used as personal protective equipment or the PPE to reduce the transmission of respiratory droplets and protect against infection.
it is also important to get yourself a clean gloves.
The clean gloves used during non-sterile procedure to protect both the healthcare provider and the patient from cross-contamination.
Be reminded that it's important na stay respected at all times. May mga bagay na okay lang iba to sa atin pero yung mga salita kasi na is hindi naman lahat ng tao is kayang i-handle yun. For example ako, okay lang sa akin na murahin ako pero hindi rin naman okay sa iba na murahin sila. So something ganun. Be sensitive at all times. Stay at your lowest point. Huwag niyo papakita na mas magaling pa kayo sa instructor ninyo, diba? So always maintain your ego at the lowest point. Ibig sabihin, diba? Maintain your ego lang at the lowest point. So hindi naman din lahat kasi ng bagay is alam natin, diba? Meron at meron pa rin talaga tayong bagay na hindi natin. And me being a student, hindi rin naman din ako naging perfect na estudyante. So marami din naman ako nagawa na, diba? Hindi naman ibig sabihin na kapag nakapagpahiya ka is masasatisfied ka. So always be reminded that it's important na stay respected at all times. So bawat tao may iba-ibang pinagdadaanan. So thank you so much for watching this video.